SEBO vacuums, the world's best for healthy homes, where reliability is standard. The SEBO Automatic X is the most technically advanced vacuum cleaner in the world. It features an electronic controller that automatically adjusts up or down to the appropriate brush height to ensure optimum performance on both carpet and hard floor surfaces. Standard on all of SEBO's vacuums, our timing belt-driven brush with clutch protection automatically stops the vacuum if an obstacle gets stuck in the roller, allowing you to easily remove the object and continue vacuuming. With its 5.5-inch profile and flat-to-the-floor design, the Automatic X makes cleaning easy under furniture and hard-to-reach places. And with all of our upright vacuums, the integrated Quick Clean wand is easy to access and easy to use.